Here is Vanessa's daily routine aimed at improving her English skills. Vanessa's daily routine to improve English. Morning. 1. Waking up and being mindful. Start your day with a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation to clear your mind. 2. Read breakfast in English. While eating breakfast, read an English newspaper or an English article online. Pay attention to new vocabulary and sentence structures. 3. Vocabulary builder. Spend 15 to 20 minutes learning new English words and phrases. You can use flashcards, apps like Anki or Quizlet, or even write them down in a notebook. 4. Listen and learn. Listen to an English podcast or audiobook during your commute or while getting ready. Focus on pronunciation and intonation. Afternoon. 1. Language exchange lunch. If possible, have lunch with a friend or colleague who speaks English fluently or is also learning English. Participate in conversations in English. Ask questions and exchange ideas. 2. Focus on grammar. Spend 30 minutes reviewing a specific grammar rule or concept. Use online resources or grammar books to practice exercises and enhance your understanding. 3. Writing practice. Take some time to write in English. It could be a blog post about your day, a short story, or even a few paragraphs summarizing an article you read in the morning. Pay attention to grammar, vocabulary, and cohesion. Evening. 1. Language exchange or English activity. Attend a language exchange meeting or participate in an online language exchange platform where you can talk with native English speakers or other learners. 2. TV show or movie time. Watch a TV show or movie in English with subtitles. Try to focus on understanding the dialogue and picking up colloquial and colloquial expressions. 3. Reading time. Before bed, spend some time reading a book or novel in English. Choose something that interests you, whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or a genre you enjoy. A night. 1. Reflective journaling. End your day by reflecting on the progress you have made in learning English. Write down any challenges you encountered, new words you learned, or improvements you noticed. 2. Relax and rest. Do a relaxing activity before bed, such as listening to soothing music or doing some light stretching exercises. Make sure you get enough rest to recharge your energy for the next day. Remember that consistency is key in language learning. Try to incorporate English into your daily routine as much as possible, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. Keep challenging yourself and celebrating the progress you make along the way.